Hi everybody, we're going to talk today about strategies to work through a multi-step word problem. So let's look at this example. We have Madison needs 180 cupcakes for her party. Madison has already made 48 berry cupcakes and 72 mocha cupcakes. How many more cupcakes does Madison need to make? So we want to first identify what we're actually looking for. So we look through the problem here and I see that I'm asked how many more cupcakes does Madison need to make. So I know that my final answer should be something like Madison needs to make blank more cupcakes. So I'm going to go ahead and write that. And I'm going to write it in a spot you can see. Madison needs to make something more cupcakes. Now the question we have to ask ourselves is, how many more cupcakes? So we need to figure out how much she has right now and how much she's shooting for. So she has 48 and 72, so I need to add those together to see how many she has right now. So we have 48 berry, and we have 72 mocha. If I add those together using the standard algorithm, I know that 8 plus 2 is 10. Here's the 1. I know that 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 7. Did you get 12? Yes. 120. So I know right now she has 120 cupcakes already. She has 120 cupcakes already. Now, let's say we don't like the standard algorithm. Let's do the number line method. I know that we have 48 berry cupcakes and 72 mocha cupcakes. So I want to start at the 48, okay? And we're gonna add 72 to that, but I don't like the idea of adding 72, just like as one jump, 72. So let's add that 2 right here. Okay, that gives us 50 cupcakes. Now I can add, I don't know, let's see, let's do 50 since we know we have 50. Big jump, plus 50 more. That brings us to 100, okay? Now, I know that I've got 50, and I know I need 20 more, plus 20. So now I've added 2, 50, and 20. That's my 72. And I know that 20 more than 100 is 120, so I know that my addition is correct. So that's the first step. I know that right now she has 120 cupcakes, but that's not my final answer, is it? Because I'm not asking how many Madison already has, I'm asking how many she needs to make. So now, okay, now we need to talk about the second step, okay? So we are shooting for 180 cupcakes. She's got 120. So I need to say that 120 cupcakes plus something equals her 180 total. So now I have a choice. I can do sort of guess and check with my addition, but I think that I'm going to switch this around to a subtraction problem now. So I'm going to say 180 minus 120 gives me my missing number, because those are just inverse of each other. So again, you can use the number line method. Just for time, I'm going to use the standard algorithm again. So if I set up my problem to be 180 minus 120, 0 minus 0, of course, is 0. 6 minus, see, I gave you the answer ahead of time. My brain's already ahead of me. 8 minus 2 is 6, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So I know that this is 60. And I know that Madison needs to make 60 more cupcakes to hit her 180.